Okay everyone, hello, and today I'm going to show you how to make a simple wardrobe. So going in with the extrusion tool, I'm just going to draw a 2x4 square, and then I'm going to go to the front view and change the height to 9 feet, but of course you can change it to whatever height you like. And then I'm going to next work on the toe kick. So I'm just going to draw a line 3 inches, and then I'm going to move that up towards the 3 inches. I'm going to delete that line, and then I'm going to go to extrusion, the square, and I'm just going to make the same shaped square that I just made, and I'm going to bring it down and go to the right view, and typing LI on my keyboard, I'm going to draw a 3-inch line and push that back 3 inches. So now there's a toe kick from the front and the side. And next, I'm going to work on the drawer fronts. So going with the extrusion tool again, I'm just going to draw like a swing door for like hanging clothes. And I'm going to do 2 of those, as you can see here. And obviously, if you're modeling after a specific wardrobe, you would want to get the correct dimensions for that. But right now I'm just doing random measurements, and I'm just going to bring that in a little closer to make it look a lot better. Next, for the actual drawer fronts, I'm basically going to do the same thing, but just draw the front panel of a drawer. And I'm going to do 3 drawers. I'm going to try to make them equal heights. Like I said, and I'm not modeling after any specific wardrobe. I'm just going wherever the wind takes me. Now that I have the 3 drawers, I'm just adjusting them by clicking the line I want to move and pressing the up and down arrows on my keyboard. Now that I've created that, I'm going to click the check mark, and now it's time to make the hardware. So first I'm just adjusting the thickness of these doors to make them a lot thinner, and then I'm going to go to extrusion tool, and I'm going to create hardware on the drawers and the cabinet doors. So I'm just going to create a side profile of like a cabinet pull, as you can see here. Now that that has been created, I'm going to go to the front view, and as you can see, it's really wide, so I'm just going to adjust that pull. And to put it on the other side, I'm going to select it, press MM on my keyboard, or you can just click the mirror icon at the top, select the middle line, and then boom, as you can see, it has reflected onto the other side. And now I'm going to make the actual drawer pull, and I'm going to do the same thing. Just go to the reference level view this time and make a top view drawing of a drawer pull. Now I'm doing the same thing here, just adjusting the hardware pull, and I'm gonna copy this one onto the other 2 drawers by pressing CO on my keyboard, or you can click the copy icon at the top. And that is pretty much it. This is the type of wardrobe that you would typically see in a dorm room. Maybe you have a guest room that you don't have a closet in, but you have a wardrobe in. Or let's say you're on a cruise ship and you have like a basic level room. This is the type of closet that they might provide for you. So now I'm just going to add materials. But other than that, that is how you make this very simple, cute wardrobe. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Let me know what type of other videos you want to see. Thank you for watching, and God bless.